EU law and regulations offer many opportunities, but at the same time, local and regional authorities face various challenges when applying these rules. Water authorities purify the wastewater from the city's sewers. In this case, the water authority has discovered a new technology to extract struvite from the slurry that remains after purifying wastewater. Struvite can be used as fertilizer, directly on the land, or as a basic material for chemical fertilizer. The EU wants to encourage a circular economy. The Waste Framework Directive includes a list of waste materials that may be reused, also referred to as end-of-waste materials. Struvite has not yet been included. Now the Water Authority must turn to national legislation. If the member state decides struvite is waste, very strict safety regulations come into play. In most member states, this means that struvite may not be applied directly on land. To determine whether it may be used as basic material for chemical fertilizer, the Water Authority must check the European list of waste. Again, the status of struvite is unclear. Therefore, it automatically falls under the strictest regime. Now let's say that another member state determines struvite to be end of waste. Then it must pass the REACH requirements, a costly and time-consuming process. Furthermore, struvite is not yet included in the European Fertilizers Regulation. Therefore, if the goal is to apply the material directly on the land, the Water Authority must once again turn to the national legislation. This differs throughout EU member states, which interferes with the marketing and application of innovative fertilizers. The same applies to other waste materials, which may be reused in the future. At this moment, EU regulations do not always contribute to achieving EU policy objectives on the circular economy.